Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable keep calls in pop-up after calls are answered on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the phone app, then tap on the more button. From the pop-up menu, tap on settings. In the call settings, we go down and tap on call display while using apps. In here, make sure you choose small pop-up or mini pop-up. Then below that, you can tap on the keep calls in pop-up. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. If you switch it on, then after calls are answered, it will keep them in the pop-up mode. So here, if I tap on the back key to go back to the home screen, and let's say I'm using another app, and while using the app, I receive an incoming call. And you can see that I can answer the call and the small pop-ups still showing right there. And I can move the pop anywhere I want. If I minimize it back to the home screen, then the pop-ups will go into the status bar at the top. And that's it. So that is how you can keep the mini pop-up while you are using another app. If you go back to your home screen, then the mini pop-up will be closed and minimized to it will be minimized to the status bar. And if we switch to another app, you can see it's still floating as a mini pop-up. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.